about some techniques how we can solve simple problems. Let's first example, find the sum of all even numbers in a list of integers. There are the two steps in here. First of all, we need to find the even numbers in a list of integers. Then we need to find the sum. So there is an intermediate condition is we need to find the even number, and final condition is we need to find the sum. If we, in this case, we can apply the Java 8 because this is very easy way we can apply Java stream also, Java stream and Java 8. Let's say we have an array list. This is 1 to 9, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. This is the list. And then this list is type of integer because this is a primitive type. Now from this integer we are applying the stream because we will apply stream for making easier coding. So for the intermediate conditions we will apply the filter because we will pick all the numbers which is even. So even condition is of each number which is modulo 2 equal to 0. We are taking the even number. Then we are map into int and then sum. Why map into int? Because our target is integer. So for this and given is our target is int but giving is integer. For this we are applying the map to int. Then finally we are getting the sum. If we run this code, then we are getting 20. That means we are adding all of this number sum. Second question, find the string and count. Two things in here. We need to find the strings and the count of that strings in the list from a list that have length greater than 5. So intermediate target is we need to find the string which is greater than 5, and the final target is we have a string and count together. Since this is the string and count both, that means we are watching easily. This is there is a map return in here. If I see the code in here, then um, then in here you see there is a list of string. Let's say apple, banana, and orange. Now we need to find the intermediate things is filter of e of length is greater than 5. So each element is actually apple, banana, and orange. We are counting the alphabet in their card in here. So e of length is greater than 5. Then we are collecting using the collectors and then grouping by. Why grouping by? We need to return a map of string and long. So the function that identity will return the identity of each of these element of the given list, and we are collecting the counting of um, those elements. So here apple and banana, each string is counting as an single element. So uh, we will print which is greater than 5 and what is the number of it. If we run it, you see orange is greater than 5 and also banana is greater than 5, which is each number 1. So number third question is find a new list containing the square of each element of a given list. So we have given a list and then we need to find the list which we find a new list. So in the intermediate target is the square and final target is we will get a list. Um, if we take a list, that means array as a list, then in here this is the array as a list. Let's say I'm taking just an example. Now you can see I'm applying the map. Why? Because there is an equation is condition is as a equation, but over here I applied the filter is a predicate true or false reply, but when equation coming we will apply the map. Then we are collecting the two list, then we are printing of that list which is the square of each of the element. If I run the code, then you see there is a 9, 25, 36, 49, and 64. So each of the square we are printing in here. Now next question is find the maximum element in a list of integers. So we have given a list of integer and we need to find the maximum element in that list. Now, our first target is we need to take a list. So in that list, let's say this is another list, 113 something like this, and we need to find the maximum element. So in here, again we will apply the stream because this is the list we can apply the stream, and we are converting to the int. If it is int integer reply, we don't need to apply this thing, but if it is int, then we need to convert to the int, and then we will find the max. So when we if we apply the max, we need to return as an int. For this we are finally get using the get as an int. Now if we run this code, then we are getting maximum number is 13. The last question is concatenate all the string in a list. So we have given a list of string into a single strings. So we need to convert a list of string to a single strings, and in this case, um, we can apply the stream, which is initially think this is an there is two way we can apply, but this is one way I can show in here. So this is the list of string, and then the apple, banana, orange, and let's say another apple. And how do we applying in here? We don't need these things because if we want to print, then we can apply these things. So list of stream in here, then we are collecting what we are taking the collectors and joining and with the delimiter of this. So we are joining all of these and delimiter as a space. If I sys out of this, let's see what is the value. We would get all the value, all the string are concatenate together. See, this is apple, banana, orange, and apple, which has an space delimiter is space in here and separated by this space and then adding in one place. Thank you so much for watching this video.